English version Mathematics Class 5 Chapter 2 Number 5. The price of 12 bananas and 8 papayas together is 616 taka. If the price of one banana is 8 taka, what will be the price of one papaya? Let's see how to solve this. Here the total price of banana 12 in 12 banana into 8 taka, that means 96 taka, and the total price of papaya, if we 616 subtract 96 equal to 520 taka. Then find the price of papayas 520 divided by 8. Here told them the 8 papayas. That means 520 divided by 8 papayas equal to 65 taka. Then answer 65 taka per papaya price. Thank you.